Hey everybody, welcome to the show, y'all. I'm Flamin' Jackson, and today I'm going to be attempting to do a challenge for y'all. I've never done this before, and I've always wanted to, and I'm just, thankful for the opportunity to try this. I just want to say thank you. You know who you are who sent this to me. I just want to say thank you. It says right here, Fuego Spice Company, the Choco Challenge. 50 meals donated per bar sold. Warning, stupid spicy. White Lightning. White chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. And it says it net weight 0.4 ounce. On this side here it says Fuego Spice Company, the Choco Challenge. In partnership with Feeding America, feedingamerica.org/Choco. It says for every hashtag Choco Challenge bar purchased, 50 meals will be donated to local food banks to hashtag end hunger. Right here on the back here it says a marriage between good plus evil. The hashtag Choco Challenge is for the pain-seeking masochist. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, y'all, by the way, I'm sorry. Masochist who wants to join the fight to end hunger, but also has no regard for their own well-being. Our second iteration is fired up by an insanely spicy, unreleased 12-pepper blend exclusive to the hashtag Choco Challenge. Contains no extracts. Hand-selected to pair with white chocolate, our unreleased 12-pepper blend comes from mad scientist smoking Ed Curry's secret garden of devilish delights, also known as Puckerbutt Pepper Company's testing grounds for developing the world's hottest peppers. Visit CHOCOCHALLENGE.com for more info. And then it says, take the hashtag Choco Challenge and support the fight against hunger. Details at CHOCOCHALLENGE.com and at feedingamerica.org/Choco. And on the ingredients here it says sugar, partially hydrogenated palm kernel oil, and cottonseed oils, non-fat dry milk, glycerol, lactose, esters of fatty acids, soy lecithin, salt, artificial flavor, chili pepper, 12-pepper, and sanity blend. Contains milk and soy, may contain traces of peanuts. Warning, do not eat if you have any allergies to spicy foods, nightshades, or capsaicin. Keep away from children. Do not consume if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition. If you get burned up trying to eat try eating some bread or drinking some milk. Eat at your own risk, you maniacs. And it says here on the bottom you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat at Fuego Box. Hashtag Choco Challenge. Alright, y'all. Let me go and open this up. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm Flamin' Jackson. If you like this video and the other videos I make, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be aware of any future videos I come out with. This will be the first challenge I've done in a long time. I got another challenge I'm going to do too. I just received this in the mail today. So I figured I'd go and do this first. But I got another challenge I'm going to be doing too very soon, y'all. Alright. Got like a card here. Fuego Spice Company. Thank you, fellow spice lover. I appreciate you choosing our small batch spicy goods. All of our products are true passion projects developed first in our kitchen. Good luck with the hashtag Choco Challenge, and thanks for helping us feed the hungry, you masochist. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm pronouncing that wrong. Yours in Spice, Mike, founder. Alright, y'all. It says right here, you must be insane to consume this pain. Says under here, since I opened it, says in partnership with Feeding America, 50 meals worth of food, $5 will be donated for every Choco Challenge purchased. Crazy enough to take the challenge? Says 1, eat it. Eat the entire bar of chocolate, and 2, film it. Take a video or photo of your attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar. Let's see here. Terrible sweet pain awaits. No, I misread it, y'all. It says, film it, take a video or photo of the attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar from hell. Terrible sweet pain awaits. Alright, it says number 3, share it. Post your attempt on social media for a chance to win a year of hot sauce. Be sure and tag at Fuego Box and hashtag Choco Challenge 22. Profile must be public for us to see it. You can also email your entry to Choco at FuegoBox.com. We'll pick 5 random winners into August of 2020 and 5 more in April of 2021. Visit FuegoBox.com/Choco Challenge for full details and terms. Eat at your own risk. Everyone wins when we work together to end hunger. It says $1 helps provide at least 10 meals secured by Feeding America on behalf of member food banks. Hashtag end hunger. ChocoChallenge.com. Feeding America. Alright, y'all. If I can get it out, there we go. It says last chance to turn back. Alright. I really like the design on that. Alright, y'all. I don't really see on here where it says you have to have a afterburn on this. Unless I'm reading something wrong, but it just says eat it, eat the entire bar of chocolate, and film it. Take a video or photo of the attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar from hell. Terrible sweet pains await. I don't see nothing about an afterburn, boy. Well, I'm going to do a 5-minute afterburn. Before I get started, y'all, I was going to get something else too. I'm going to see how hot that bar is first. But after I do that, depending on how hot my mouth is, I might take some tincture here too. No pain, no gain, y'all. I love white chocolate, y'all. I could definitely smell the white chocolate in this, definitely. And I can smell the powder, the pods, different types of pods that's in this. I can definitely smell it, but it has a great aroma, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I guess what I'm going to do is, I'm going to eat this entire bar here, and I'm going to have a 5-minute afterburn once I finish, chewing and swallowing this Choco Challenge here. This Choco bar. Alright, y'all. I'm going to do a 5-minute afterburn. I don't think I had to take one, but I wanted to anyway, because, you know, the heat's going to build up. Because I'm not sure what type of pods are in this, but I know whatever it is, it's going to be a little on the spicy side. But I've been wanting to do a challenge, y'all, and I've been wanting to try this. Overall, it has excellent flavor, this Choco Challenge here. It has a really good flavor. I really enjoy the flavor. And I can definitely taste the powder that's in it, the pot, whatever type of chilies is in it. It has excellent flavor, y'all. Flavor-wise, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Heat-wise, I'm going to give it probably about a 6. 5 or 6, I would say. But I'm going to, that's the reason I'm doing this afterburn, though, because, I mean, I could be wrong, but it still may climb some. We just have to wait and see, y'all, but I definitely recommend this, y'all. This Choco Challenge, the White Lightning. I mean, this thing, it was really good, y'all. Yeah. I appreciate y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, so far, y'all, it doesn't seem like I'm climbing any. I was saying 6 originally, but I believe I'm a 5. But, I mean, it has a really good burn. It has excellent flavor. Let's see how much on this timer here. It's been 1 minute and 56 seconds. It does have really good flavor, y'all. Excuse me. I wouldn't really consider this a challenge, though. It might be if you're not used to something hot. I've been trying to, you know, build my tolerance up more, y'all. So I got this tincture here. I believe I'm going to take some more tincture, y'all. This is a Boylston Street Blueberry. Blueberry and Carolina Reaper extract. Bottled by Boston Ballistic Hot Sauce, LLC. Now, don't get me wrong, y'all. This Choco Challenge, it is really good. It has excellent flavor. And it is hot. But if you're used to eating hot stuff all the time, it might not be as hot as it is, you know, for some. But I believe I'm going to take some tincture, too. Yeah. I say I'm probably about close to a 6 now with that tincture. Alright. Good enough. That tincture's some good stuff, y'all. I know it has a lot of people I watch on YouTube, and they use tinctures, you know, help them prepare, you know, for challenges and everything. And it does work because tinctures are hot, especially if you're not used to them. So, I mean, it can really get your tolerance up really quick using them tinctures every day. Yeah, I totally recommend y'all go out and try this. It does have really good flavor, and it has really a decent amount of heat. I could handle hotter, but like I said, but it's still a really good challenge for somebody, that I guess wasn't so used to, heat of, peppers and stuff. But I definitely recommend y'all go and get some of these, because it helps, feed the hungry, and any way you can help feed people, I mean, it's always a good thing, y'all. Let me see what time it is here. Oh, it's been 5 minutes and 32 seconds. So time's up, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm going to end the video for now. I appreciate y'all so much for watching this video. It'll be more from where it came from. There's more challenges and reviews in the future, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned, y'all. I'm just so thankful y'all care enough to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. It does. It means a lot to me, y'all. I love y'all so much, and y'all the reason I keep on making these videos. I mean, I do enjoy eating spicy food, but with your encouragement, y'all's encouragement, it really makes me want to keep on making more and more. So I just want to say thank you so much. But I'll be posting a link to the Choco Challenge website here down below, y'all. But let's see here, where's it at? CHOCOCHALLENGE.com, y'all. Check out that. Go to CHOCOCHALLENGE.com and get you some White Lightning Choco Challenge bars. I totally recommend y'all do that. You'll enjoy it. But I'm going to end the video for now. Thank you so much for watching this. Y'all have a blessed day.